Modern cars today are very different from the ones we had years ago. With more electronics and computers running the systems, many people think you can't touch anything without a mechanic. But the truth is, as a car owner, there are still basic checks and maintenance you can do yourself to save money and keep your vehicle in great condition. Let's start with the battery. Most newer cars rely heavily on electronics, so a weak battery can cause all sorts of problems. Warning lights, starting issues, or even false error codes. Get a simple multimeter or battery tester and check the voltage every few weeks. A healthy battery should read around 12.6 volts when the car is off. Next, always check your fluids. Yes, newer cars have sensors, but nothing beats a quick manual check. Engine oil, coolant, and brake fluid should be checked regularly. Low or dirty fluids can lead to expensive damage, but topping them up is something you can easily do at home. Tires are another big one. With all the electronic stability and traction systems in new cars, bad tires can throw everything off. Check your tire pressure at least once a month and inspect the tread. A simple gauge costs very little, but it saves you fuel, improves safety, and extends tire life. Also, pay attention to your air filter and cabin filter. Modern engines are sensitive to airflow. A clogged air filter can make your car burn more fuel and lose power. Replacing it is usually as simple as unclipping a box under the hood. Same with the cabin filter. It keeps your AC running smoothly and your air clean. And don't forget, listen to your car. Modern vehicles will give you signs, a strange noise, a vibration, or a dashboard light. Basic tools like an OBD2 scanner, which is very affordable these days, can help you read error codes at home before rushing to the mechanic. So remember, even though cars today are more electronic than ever, you can still take control of basic checks and simple maintenance. Doing this not only saves you cash, but also keeps your car reliable and running longer. Treat your car well, and it will treat you well on the road.